Once you've added text to your document, you can begin to personalize its properties. Word allows you to change the font, size, and formatting, such as bold, italic, and underline options, giving you greater control over the look and feel of your document. We can see how certain text is formatted by moving the insertion point. The insertion point is this flashing line, and will detect the font style and size based on where it's placed. Currently, Word is displaying the formatting for the heading Introduction because that's where the insertion point is. The font toolset to the left of the ribbon displays the font style, size, formatting, and more. If we move the insertion point to differently formatted text, note how the information within the font toolset also changes. I'll move the insertion point one more time. Keep an eye on the font toolset and see what changes. If you don't like having many different fonts in your document, you can easily make the whole text the same font. First, select all text by pressing Ctrl-A on your keyboard. Then, when all text is selected, within the Font toolset, click the arrow beside the font name to open a drop-down menu. From here, you can choose from a long list of fonts. Let's go with Arial for now though. All text in our document now has the same font. We are not just limited to changing all text. We can also make changes to selected text too. I want to change the size of this heading. So firstly, I'll select it by clicking and dragging over it like so. Then within the font toolset again, click in the field beside the font name. This field denotes font size. Hovering over any of these will give a preview of the text. Click a size to make the change. Just to the right of this menu, we can make selected text bigger and smaller with these buttons. The larger icon makes the text larger, and the smaller icon makes it smaller. We can make the same changes using the keyboard shortcuts Ctrl, Shift, and greater than sign, or Ctrl, Shift, and less than sign. This is handy to know for quick formatting. Now that we know how to change the style and size, let's look at more formatting options. Within the Font toolset, just below the Font Style menu, we have options to make text bold, italicized, or underlined. Change the formatting of selected text by simply clicking one of these buttons. Let's make the heading bold. We can also apply bold with the shortcut Ctrl-B. Note the new appearance of the heading. We can apply multiple formatting tools simultaneously in the same way. The shortcuts to italicize and underline text are Ctrl-I and Ctrl-U respectively. We can strike through text using the Strike Through button just to the right of the underline button. This is handy for when text changes in a collaborative document. Note that there is no shortcut for the strike through command. Click the arrow beside the underline tool to view more formatting options. Here you can change the underline style and color. To remove any of the formatting options, simply re-click the effect you would like removed. There are even further formatting options if we right-click the selected text, then select Font from the drop-down menu. Most options here are the same as previously shown, but there are extra commands like double strike through or small caps. This has been a basic overview of changing your text's font and size in Word for Office 365.